lucky we got. We had one shot. You only had 2 straws.
Yeah, so I'm going to make my reservation for Reno. I was going to do it last night, but I visited a friend that's at a boarding care. It's on hospice. It's so funny. They allowed me to take Stormy in there, and so I put Stormy down next to her, and Stormy immediately found this cookie. She says, "That's my cookie." Stormy found it. Right. Stormy says, "It's my cookie." That Mark stayed up. I could hear clink clink.
Come on, baby.
So,
oh.
I forget what the place that we finally got reservations. I'm not going to go to Reno. Well, I'm not qualified yet, but you have to say.
Oh, no. I'm probably.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. Not bad for an ugly course.